watches, and that's for such a great sport.
I completely agree. Thank you, everyone. Today was a really difficult day. Everybody knows how great Italy is, but everybody also knows how much Belgium can fight. And I think today we did fight till the end. Also thanks to you guys. We've been cheering from the beginning till the end. So thank you very much.
Enjoy your cheering. So thank you.